When it comes to DeFi or decentralized finance and yield farming, one of the most important aspects is ensuring the platform you're using is safe and secure. In this video, I'm going to break down and introduce to you a DeFi platform that aims to do just that, ensuring your assets are safe and secure while providing high yields and resources to help you stay profitable and avoid getting wrecked or falling for scams. This is called DeFi Yield, and they provide a wide array of innovative tools to help you keep track and manage all of your assets in an all-in-one secure platform that is integrated with 17 plus chains, including AVAX, Solana, KuCoin, and more to come soon. Stay up to date on latest hacks and vulnerabilities, stay clear of scams, and avoid getting wrecked by utilizing DeFi Yield's Protection Toolkit. Use the Rekt database to identify potential risk before investing, and manage all your assets, including staked assets, NFTs, and more, while keeping up with your profits and losses on one platform. Now that I have you interested, let's dive into the DeFi Yield platform and its features. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. Let's jump into this. DeFi Yield offers a ton of features. I've got their Twitter page pulled up here. You can see they joined on November of 2020. They currently have 31,000 followers on Twitter, guys. So they have a pretty decent following on Twitter. They also have a book that is selling on Amazon. And guys, I actually just received my copy of this book. The Wall Street Era is Over. The Investor's Guide to DeFi, Cryptocurrency, and the Decentralized Finance Revolution. This is a very interesting book, and I do believe that it would be great for beginners. To point out a couple of things in the table of contents here: how to access DeFi, understanding wallets, buying crypto for the first time, hot wallets versus cold wallets, wallet security, popular wallets you can use, just to name a couple of things here in the table of contents of this book. Definitely interesting, and I will also be reading into this book myself. I will leave a link in the description if you guys would like to go buy this book. So if you'd like to stay up to date with DeFi Yield, you can follow their Twitter at DeFiYield_app. And as it says here on their website, manage your DeFi life. Control your digital assets with a full suite of innovative tools. Invest confidently, supported by their auditing experts. So before we jump into the dashboard and we cover a few of their features here and take a look at their team and their investors behind this, let's first jump into this article over here at Medium, where we can gain a little bit more information about this platform. You can see here it says the world's only safe DeFi cross-chain investment protocol. This is the first thing you need to look for when thinking about yield farming and getting into DeFi. You want to make sure that you can trust the platform that you're using. DeFi Yield also offers a way to track your profit and loss. Without doing so manually, you can connect your wallet or view any wallet you want and instantly check the assets profit and loss cross-chain. So what is the DeFi Yield dashboard? The DeFi Yield dashboard has the perfect combination of asset management and risk management tools to help you succeed and stay safe in DeFi. It enables you to track investment opportunities, monitor performance metrics, allocate and reallocate funds, and stay protected with the Approvals Analyzer, which informs you of approvals for malicious dApps that contain backdoors, infinite minting, and other security issues. So as I said, this platform allows you and enables you to invest safely and yield farm safely in DeFi without having to worry about risk of getting hacked or risk of malicious apps. Also, the dashboard is designed to be cross-chain, compatible with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, AVAX, Solana, Polkadot, and all non-EVM compatible chains. And with DeFi Yield, users can not only track profit and loss, but also add and remove liquidity, along with viewing liquidity positions and new investing opportunities. Scan and decline allowances and access unique databases such as the world's first audit and Rekt databases, which we're going to get into next. So DeFi Yield aims to keep you safe. DeFi works best when you're protected. Invest confidently with DeFi Yield's advanced and easy-to-use security solutions. So let's go over some of the tools that DeFi Yield offers within their protection toolkit. Approvals. Decline untrustworthy allowances with our pioneering permissions tool. It automatically checks smart contracts for known security issues. This is really cool, guys, because you can literally double check before investing to make sure that you're investing in something that is safe. Scanner. Significantly mitigate DeFi risk with Scanner's rapid smart contract audits. Our Game Changer tool checks quickly for known vulnerabilities, and you can generate comprehensive audit PDFs. Audit database. This is very cool, guys. Check any project audits with the world's first audit database. accessible via API, constantly growing at 3,400 plus audits. And this one is very big, guys. The Rekt database. Fully understand past and present scams with the Rekt database. See detailed reports on the vulnerabilities that these scams exploited, including a tracker of total funds lost. So here you have the audit database over on their platform here, and it looks like you can actually download the entire report over here to the right. So it looks like there's 5 reports here, and looks like you can actually download these reports. So very, very interesting, guys. And then here is the Rekt database, the biggest database of crypto hacks, exploits, and scams. So over here at the Rekt database, you can literally do your research on projects before investing to see if they've had hacks or scams or been exploited. It shows you the type of issue over here, and then it shows you how many funds were lost, and then it shows you the date. And then you click here to have a drop-down menu for the details. This is just a very cool tool, very useful, guys. I mean, this is a very interesting project, and I'm very happy to promote this project on the channel because I do believe that for most of you guys, especially anybody that's new to the space, that's really wanting to get into DeFi, yield farming, and you want to get those high APYs, you want to earn those high yields, but you want to do so safely without the risk of, worrying about if you're going to get hacked or if the network you're using is going to get exploited and you're going to lose your money. So with these tools that DeFi Yield offers, you can actually set yourself up for success. And if you're not convinced yet, let's take a look at their investors and their team. When we pull down here on their website and we look at their investors, it says DeFi Yield is backed up by leading venture capitalists and DeFi investors. Look at this, guys. You got Swissborg Ventures, Genblock Capital, you've got Shima Capital, Spark Digital Capital, Owl Ventures, Blockchain Founders Club, and if we scroll down, you have Justin Lee, Coinbase Ventures. You've got the founder of Paraswap, founder of Synthetics, founder and CEO at Harmony One, head of institution at Polygon. You've got the general partner at Dragonfly Capital, and you've got the CEO of Just Mining, owner of the largest French crypto YouTube channel. And if we come down and look at their key opinion leaders, investors, and partners, they are promoted here and supported by some of the top leading influencers on YouTube. You've got the Moon, and it says more coming soon. Average Joe Crypto will be a part of this, but you have some of these big names in crypto on YouTube that are supporting this project as well. And they've been mentioned in many different articles across many different media platforms. So guys, just to do a quick recap here of the dashboard at DeFi Yield, you can see that you can actually keep track of your NFTs, your portfolio, pools that you are in, and staking. So overall, this is an all-in-one DeFi yield farming platform that enables you to invest safely and securely, guys. So overall, just an amazing platform here, guys. And real quickly, briefly, let's go over their team here before finishing up this review of DeFi Yield. So their team here consists of members from Waves, it looks like Citibank, United Nations, and you scroll down, they have a pretty extensive team here. So you have the management team, 5 people there on the management team. You have 6, 7, you have 8 different people here in their marketing and community team. And then you also have the development team. You have 9 different people here in their development team, and you have human resources. So overall, a pretty extensive team. So guys, I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I hope that you guys will take this and utilize this information to go out and do some research on DeFi Yield yourself. Look into it. You can follow them on Twitter also to stay up to date with the project. Also, you can join their Telegram. I will leave links in the description for all of this information, as well as how to connect to their socials and their website links as well. So like it says here, the largest yield farming community. Connect to the DeFi Yield Telegram group. And I will also leave links in the description to their blog here, which will lead you also to these ultimate guides. Ultimate yield farming guide for Moonriver Network, Tron Network, and if you scroll down, guys, they have a bunch of guides perfect for beginners. If you're looking to getting into DeFi, perfect for beginners here. And check the links, guys. Check the links in the description. If you want to buy the book, there'll be a link in the description to buy their book that's selling on Amazon. There'll be links to all this information in the description, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, as much as I enjoyed doing this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.